Emma Aver says, highly regarded pastors, Pastor Clark, and Pastor Christian Lauron, Chairwoman of the Board, Mrs. Amelia B. Saludo, our distinguished guest speaker, Pastor Robert Villaflor, fellow students, families, and friends, a pleasant afternoon. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you in this memorable event of our lives. It may seem to be a yearly school activity, but for us, it is a milestone. I know we have a lot more challenges we need to face ahead of us, but for now, let's enjoy our childhood. Cherish every moment while we're still young, free from any stress, and less obligated with life's reality. It may sound carefree or happy-go-lucky, but I say it's not. It doesn't mean you can do anything you want. Being happy doesn't always mean it's right. Even if majority is doing the same thing, doesn't mean you're on the right track. I'd like to quote what King Solomon said in the book of Proverbs 14, verse 12. There is a way that seems right to a man, but its end is the way of destruction. We are too young to understand the danger of our surroundings, particularly nowadays that we are very vulnerable and exposed due to easy access in social media. That's why sometimes we think we are being misunderstood. But believe me, they just love us so much that they don't want our lives to be miserable. We are blessed to have our families to guide and train us, and our beloved Urga as our second home. I've heard different stories from my dad on how he used to behave and enjoy his days when he was at my age, and how my mom, who was once a valedictorian here, managed to do her stuff at school independently. Can you guys relate on how they compare our generation to Batang 90s? Kami noon, mga kabataan ngayon, something like that. It's quite interesting, but apparently we can really learn from them. But also, they should understand that we are in a different era. However, I think it's better to say that we should become a combination of two generations, being versatile, flexible, and smart. On behalf of all the graduating students, allow me to take this opportunity to recognize and appreciate our dear parents. Thank you very much. Mommy, Daddy, salamat po. I love you. Also, hats off to our first year teachers who serve and stand as our second parents. I'd like to sincerely apologize, especially to our advisor, Mrs. Lily Vicana, sa aming kakulitan, kainayan, and pasaway moments. Sorry po. From the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po. With high spirits, let us all stand and give a round of applause